Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the X-Deep NX Ultralight backplate and harness. So this is incredibly light. So this is made for the traveling diver where you don't need that trim weight of a stainless steel backplate. The backplate itself is made out of a sort of aluminium magnesium alloy. So very, very lightweight. It's also a skeleton backplate. I'll show you it in a second, but incredibly light, so fantastic for traveling. So if I stand it up first, so it comes, as you see here, it comes assembled, so you do need to adjust it a little bit when you do first get it home. If I start at the top, so this uses 3 different types of webbing. So it's quite stiff over the shoulders for the rigidity. It's a little bit sort of softer around the waistband, and then across the crotch strap it's much, much softer. So you're not going to get the abrasion or sort of wear, so much more comfortable. So the shoulder straps, you can see we have a sort of rubber loop. This is for your inflator. You can move that. You've got the tri-glider. You can have that exactly where you want it. Further down, you have 2 pre-bent stainless steel D-rings, and they then go down and they loop over in the back plates down at your hip. Now your waistband sits fairly high compared to other sort of systems, but it is comfortable, trust me. Very traditional design. You've got your quick release, just like your weight belt, and you also have a single stainless steel D-ring for your SPG on your left-hand side. Okay, moving down from that, then to the crotch strap. So the crotch strap itself has 2 attachment points to the back plate. So that makes it much more comfortable. It also means that you can have 2 D-rings down sort of around your butt. Very easy to clip off, and you can separate your spools and whatever you need for storage down at the bottom. And then it joins itself to a single piece that attaches to the waistband. So the back plate, it comes with some padding at the top and the bottom, so it's nice and comfortable. And then if I turn it around, you can see the shape and the size of the back plate. So this is the smaller version, so it's a little bit shorter, but other than that, everything else is much the same. The material is in this sort of matte finish, which looks really good, and it's very skeleton. So it's cut out sort of excess material, so it's nice and light. All the little sections are cut out, and the edges are sort of laser sort of cut, so nice and soft edges. They've all been rounded very nicely. Plenty of attachment points for whatever you need in your accessories. But the main benefit is the lightness, the material itself, because it's anodized. It's not anodized, sorry. It's an aluminium alloy with magnesium. It's incredibly light, so great for sort of lightweight travel. All in all, great travel rig. Just sort of fits a single wing to it if you want to be diving on single cylinders. This is the X-Deep NX Ultralight backplate and harness. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.